Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff of Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, now, the last two mornings on the announcements, we took a little time to talk about the first two beliefs from our culture playbook that you see right here in front of us that we have here at Furry, which are to trust and to own. And then we start to learn about, as time goes on, the outcomes we can get from these beliefs, which are when you trust, we can count on each other. And when we own, we take responsibility. And we're going to learn more about these outcomes as the year goes on and how they are helpful to every member of the Furry team and how they make Furry to be the best version of itself. Now, this morning, I'd like to focus a little on our final belief, which is to connect. And when you feel connected or make many connections with other people here at Furry, those connections make this a place we all want to be a part of each and every day. School is a wonderful place to connect. We get the opportunity to be around so many different people who may have different ideas than us, and we learn that no two people are exactly the same. And that's what makes connecting with others amazing. We get to learn more about each other, they learn more about us, and since we're all different, it helps everyone to grow. Every time you talk with someone, listen to someone, learn about someone, you are connecting. In Furry, there are hundreds of people for you to connect with. So, even on those days it may feel a little more difficult to come to school because maybe you're a little bit tired that morning or you're going to miss some of the people that aren't here at Furry during the school day, remember and always keep this in mind. Even when you have that feeling, there are still so many people here each and every day at Furry for you to connect with. And that's an exciting thought to begin your day. So as we go about this Wednesday here at Furry, connect by being a good listener to others today and learning a little bit about them. And if we're all taking the time to listen to others and learn about them, we're all going to be learning about each other. The more connections we make, we help to make Furry be the best version of itself. So do your part to make as many connections as you can on this Wednesday at school. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right. Thank you, everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 31st, 2022, the very last day in this month. And for lunch today, we will have cheeseburger, french fries, and peaches. Reminder that the sandwich of the week is turkey and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. And we have a few more birthdays to celebrate today. And we want to say happy birthday to the following students: Kylie Borden, Remington Lewis, and Lucas Iyer, who are all celebrating their birthdays here on the final day of August. So happy birthday to those three students. We look forward to getting to connect with you here today on your birthday at school. And as always, we want to take that moment to press pause, get our minds right, and start to even think about right now as we're doing our breathing, what can I do to be a good listener to others today? What can I do to help build those connections and connect with others to help make Furry be the best version of itself? So we're going to go ahead and start by first breathing in for 4 and hold. Now breathe out. All right, very good. And if you need to continue to do that a few more times, you may do that as we go through our other announcements for this morning. First off, with our other announcements, I just want to give praise to the students. We did a great job during the fire drill yesterday. Everybody got out of the building quickly and safely and quietly, and we were able to follow the directions of our teachers so that way we could get to our spots. I was able to speak with a group of one of the groups that are outside standing, and was really complimenting our second grade students as leaders out there because they did a great job leading by example. We have to do certain drills each and every month. And we have to remember the biggest thing we have to do is make sure that we are remaining quiet so we can be good listeners. And yesterday's fire drill was an excellent start to that. And I also want to just make an announcement. I've been out at recess so many different times as we started this school year, and I really wanted to point out our first grade students and their above the line choices at the end of recess. I noticed that they freeze as soon as that first whistle is blown by the recess teacher that is out there, and they're always looking around right away to see what they can go pick up and help to put away, even if it's something they didn't get out. And I saw so many different students yesterday and on some other days who are picking up different basketballs or jump ropes or things that may have been left behind, and that is very much appreciated and allows us to continue to get out those recess materials. So great job to those first grade students and all of the students who have been doing the work to help out during that recess time. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. So let's make sure we're working hard to trust, own, and connect, and let's make it a great day, Furry.